44th oil change with Doc's 540. My name's Greg Kimple from Edgerton, Ohio. I'm in the hotshot industry in the car hauling world. I own my own authority. I haul for myself, but we work with one local auction company. We haul anything from wrecked in-ops, and in-op would be one that's inoperable. That might be loaded with a big payloader or unloaded with a big payloader. Sometimes we have to winch them vehicles on. And then we also do running and non-running vehicles that are just getting transported for sale for the banks. I have a 22 F-350, and that's my main primary vehicle. I'm partial to Ford, but you know, a lot of different people use different vehicles, but I'm partial to it. I've had good luck. I got a lot of miles out of them. I average 2,500 to 3,000 miles a week. Downtime is money. If the wheels aren't rolling, we're not making money, and you usually put it in the pockets of somebody else for maintenance or a tow bill. So we do all our own maintenance at home when we're home on the weekends and keep everything up to date. Come here, Milo. Well, I do maintenance every day as a walk around, preventative maintenance, but the big things like the oil and the fuel filters, that's all done about once a month. I do 10,000 mile interval changes with how I do my rotations. So there's more than one reason why I went with Doc's. Local to me, family-owned business. I support local business, but I found that the quality, you know, is there, and I'm not paying the high price of the box stores. Well, I've been using Doc's ever since that white truck on the trailer was put on the road, and that was 2020. About when Doc's opened. I'm a family friend as well, so I support the family business, like I said. But the big thing is having the product available whenever I needed it. You know, I've went into box stores and had stuff that wasn't available, and I needed an oil change or I needed a fuel filter change, but the quality for the price, that's huge for me, because you're doing these kind of rotations on mileage on your maintenance. You know, you want to keep your cost per mile as low as you can, and that Doc's helps me achieve that. For me, it's always in-store pickup, because I come through here or by here several times a week, and I like to be face-to-face with the guys in the shop, you know, selling the product or packaging the product, building that personal relationship. But I have had cases where I've ordered it and needed something, and they just shipped it, and it was sitting in my door, you know, when I get done trucking. Well, with the interval maintenance changes on the main hauling truck, that product I use the most is the Doc's 540 full synthetic, and then obviously the fuel and oil filters that go along with that change. I did notice that with the Doc's 540 synthetic over the conventional oil that came in the truck, I did have mileage improvements. It's a great story and testament to Doc's that this truck behind me, I bought new with 90 miles on it, and I'm going on my 44th oil change with primarily Doc's 540. As an owner-operator and an owner of a company, and having several other drivers as well through the years since 2015, there's no reason not to try Doc's oil and filters, even some of their newer stuff with the brakes and the rotors, because the quality is unmatched. Like I said, the testing's there. It's proven that it's good or better than OEM, and there's no reason not to, especially if you're going to see improvements in mileage and less downtime. For a guy who makes a living with his truck, Doc's diesel is high quality, top of the line products that anyone can trust and use.